Love it when you work it, work it. Hard your back and then you twerk it. Love it when you work it, work it. Lock me down a circuit.
Men ungrateful, and women, you need to learn from Winnie Mandela, and you need to learn from Kartel. So you see, we drop off ahead, I go drop on shoulder, and I hope Shorty may reap in the long run.
Boy, I see Beenie Man a perform a USB arena to blood clot a while ago. Up here whole song. Copy some of Kartel slang and style. If you want, get back on the road again. Pussy wall.
People, see real gangalia, man. Yeah, them man the lyrics them we grew up on. I know so we not do no loose thing with all the morals.
Yes,
if we're hungry we beer, we're hungry.
Now we don't bow down low, you must be mad they couldn't do that. From birth.
Outside, no shit in a plate, no transmission. Rastafari. Holy Emmanuel, I still have to see hi. Joe!
Welcome to Lion Foot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lion Foot TV, you know the man of peace. I'm going to take the violence off the streets, living love, unity and strength. You see me? Anyone there in our love and blessings, guidance and protection upon you and your loved ones. Don't forget to like and share the content. Make sure you not click the like button. So me I say, and stay active in the comment section. Share your views and opinions if you feel like doing so. You see me? In this episode here, we have Beenie Man coming under attack, scrutiny, you know what I mean, criticism about his dress code and him show. You see me, a Rasta man, I rush out for him. Like one of Gaza fans, we have a lady address Vybz Kartel in defense of Shorty. You see me, and we have Foota I link up with the Gangali. You see me, I say, you don't know, love culture that big artists. You see me, and in between time, we're going to run through one song named Work It by the artist named Nyco KD. See? Yeah, man, so I want to know, give him some support, alright? Yeah, man, we are forward.
Lion Foot TV, love it when the girl them a work it. From here the voice, you know, it's Nyco KD. I'm represent Lion Foot TV. From here now, say Lion Foot TV, now have a own sense. Lion Foot TV.
Yes, man, the artist that we will highlight today on this flag scene, Nyco KD. We are shining some light on him. Give him the support. Him song name Work It. I'm going to a quick snippet.
Love it when you work it, work it. Hard your back and then you twerk it. Love it when you work it, work it. Lock me down a circuit.
Yes, my people, I can't show the whole video because some part is explicit, you know. The girl them go on, you see me?
Anytime you work it, work it. Your festive up on a church. Anytime you work it, work it. Anything you want, any purchase.
Yes, man, I hear Nyco KD say I'm loving the girl them work it. Anything them want, him will purchase. Rightly so.
The gallery exotic. Two should do a body beneath up like it's a lassie. Possibility easy to all a girl full of tactics. One side like this paper so she catch it.
Nah, like the girl them go hard into the song. You see me I say them, so them go on, me have a black out certain part. But Nyco KD, the artist named Nyco KD. Check out the song, Work It.
It all just a boom, so me be my italics. Big brand cocky for your tight pass it at the A, one the pussy, girl a pussy, then a average. Don't run, where you see a carry.
Yes, man, I'm going to leave the link for the video in the comment section. See, so you can just click it or watch it. Yes, what I say?
Work it, work it. Hard your back and then you twerk it.
Yes, let me reiterate it again. The artist name, Nyco KD, and the song is titled Work It.
The way Mr. Kartel busy and happy and I enjoy himself. Kartel never want Shorty to benefit from what she had sown. Men ungrateful, and women, you need to learn from Winnie Mandela and you need to learn from Kartel. This whole heap of this and that, even though remember, you know, so Kartel said despite Shorty cheated, you know, a Shorty still run the business while him in a prison, you know. And I am not even sure if Shorty have a driver's license. I don't know, me just a say. But you know what I'm happy for? Karma is a brute. And those three strong young men, a Shorty son them and a them grow, and a Shorty grow them. So you see we drop off ahead, I go drop on shoulder. And I hope Shorty may reap in the long run.
Viewers and subscribers, let me know what y'all think. Clearly, this lady is in support of Shorty, and she say Kartel no deal with Shorty good. You know what I mean? And Shorty do all of the thing them while at his back while he was in jail. But let me know what y'all think. You see me answer? 7 brothers, 7 different minds. Kartel move on and Shorty move on. You see me? I saw your thing go. Yes, man, talking about Vybz Kartel. I saw this on Instagram, the post on Daily Dirt page on Instagram, see? And it say, yo, Guyana's Ethnic Relations Commission calls on Vybz Kartel to apologize ahead of planned concert. Apologize for what? Can anyone inform me in the comment section? Well, a lot of comments I see people I say the song I'm sing say, you sitting come you like Bible. When it open up, you see, you don't know that song there, so I don't know if that's the must simply apologize both or wow. Anybody know why? Can you inform me in the comment section below, see? Please and thanks. Also, we see that a video circulated Beenie Man and a picture. People are criticizing him outfit. You know, Beenie Man can, when it comes to dress code, Beenie Man have it lack. Likewise, his performance on stage. Yeah, man, but me personally, me like the outfit I still. I don't know what kind of material, like a jeans cut up or whatever, you know. But people are criticizing him, I said it look good and him dress good and him cheap and all of that and that and that. But, and everybody want to live the day lifestyle. Some people just want to be themselves, you know. Rich and normal with it, you see me? Some people rich and bossy, you get me? But me personally like Beenie Man outfit still. But let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. You see me? Next now we see our brother I criticize Beenie Man. I say Beenie Man show no go and go to the UBS arena in America there. But anyway, here we must say.
Well, I see Beenie Man a perform a USB arena to blood clot a while ago. Up here whole song. The people them just stand up in there like a bumbo clot dead yard in there. All dead yard more lively to blood clot. Cause at least the dead yard are some Gary and some Gary band nowadays where me say bumbo clot. People enjoy themselves better dead yard to pussy wall more than bumbo clot Beenie Man USB arena show right now. It boring you fuck. Run go look and see. You now go do the 110 minutes say you now watch it. Unless I blood clot comment section you know watch. But no Beenie Man and in old time lyrics them. No, we are bumbo clot. Beenie Man go back on the drawing board and go write some good girl song. Copy some of Kartel slang and style. If you want get back on the road again. Pussy wall.
People, let me know what y'all think. But what I think the brother a big man need to understand himself. Him say Beenie Man go sing old song. Kartel sing him old song them too. Buju Banton keep singing old song them too. And when Bounty Killer goes to the UBS soon, you know Bounty Killer show forward soon. So Bounty go sing him all hits them and the people them want to hear. So all man pick up Beenie Man. Kartel did the same thing. You know what I mean? And this with the fans them. And them behavior by the artists them hate them one another and grudge them one another. You know, I'm vexed with them one another because of the fans them. You get what I say? But let me know what y'all think, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, see? Anyway, I was Foota hype on the Gangali, Louis Culture, link up. I love to see this guy. Already I do a vlog with Louis Culture already and I give him praise. You know, cause the man, I bring Sizzler of Voice, him hits him and send him a road, you see me? So I see Foota and Louis Culture link up. A great look. Big up Percy Carver too.
Now, listen to me now. I am in the United States of America. It's not Panama or Guatemala or any of those places, although we love those places. This is big foreign. And I'm here with big artists. Blood clot. Yo, over there. Tiggy-dang, over here. Yeah, remember, big up my family them from Portland, because first year going like him and more Portland than me. First year I want to bash them and yeah, around here. Remember me know Taro sound and them something. We used to go around IPR. We used to go around IPR at Christmas time and go do my little thing and watch my little movie and play with my little girlfriend on that boat side. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I see DJ teaching them. Yeah. So people, see real gangalia man. Yeah, them man the lyrics them we grew up on. I know so we're not doing a loose thing with all the morals. If we're hungry or beer, we're hungry. You must be mad they couldn't do right. You talk from birth. Yeah, a bucklad outside. You hear that? Yeah, man. See me, man. Code Red, man. Father Blade, man. Yeah, man. Outside, man.
Outside.
You know it's there. How that there? You think I'm Matrix and near? Blood clot. I have a couple girls for gear. Yo, we could have turned an artist, you know.
You know what I mean? Yeah, man, them big song the way you carry the voice too. Powerful. Monumental, man.
Yeah, people, see first you try to trick the artist. Yeah, man, first go on, man. Yeah. The Portland chickens are going. Big up my family in my Portland. Some of them know and some of them don't know. But me not link. You know me, everything alright. Yeah, one link. Yeah. Outside, no shit in a plate, no transmission. Rastafari. Holy Emmanuel, I still have to see it. Joe!
Yes, man, it's a joy, you know. Big up yourself for type. Big up yourself. You know, the whole gangali, you see me? Come on, the whole gangali. Yeah, man, some monster hit, man. Double culture sing, you see me? I know, verse, about do him thing too. You get what I say? Viewers and subscribers, I hate that you know, big up on yourself. Gratitude is a must. So I say, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. And remember to check out the artist, Nyco KD is in. Big up on yourself, I'm out. Bless it.
Work it, work it, work it. Hard your back and then you twerk it. Have it when you work it, work it, work it. Lock me down like down a circuit.